Hi friends, this is a quick unboxing video for this wonderful tablet. It is called Yuntab tablet. It got 8-inch screen and it's got support for 2G, 3G and 4G. Before unboxing it, I would just like to explain you a little bit of specification. So it got Android 7 plus, it has 8-inch screen, it got a resolution of 800 into 1280. It got a CPU 1.3 GHz and a RAM of 2 GB. It has 16 GB storage space and a dual camera. As I mentioned, this is a phablet, so you can use it as a mobile device as well. It's a dual SIM tablet. So the specs are pretty much good, and now let's just unbox it and see what we got. Let's see what we got. As I mentioned, this is a black color tablet. Wow, tablet looks amazing. Let's see what we got in the box. So we got a USB cable and a charger and a user manual. So the tablet look like of a plastic, and it has camera as I mentioned. So let's just have a quick look on this tablet. As I mentioned before, this is the memory card slot plus the SIM support, and then now I think let's just start it to see if I just power it on.